Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to delete YouTube channel step by step. So first go to YouTube, then to the right side corner click here. Then click your channel. And then at the right top corner click that and click settings. Then click help and feedbacks at the bottom and search for delete. Type it delete. Click delete or hide your YouTube channel. Scroll down, then click YouTube Studio. Let's proceed to this page. At the bottom, click settings. Then click channel. And then click advanced settings. Scroll down again and click manage YouTube content. Next, click view advanced settings. Then at the bottom, click delete channel. Again, click I want to permanently delete my content. Then tap the two box and click delete my content. Then to confirm, please type your email address or Gmail address and click delete my content. It's done. You've successfully deleted your YouTube channel. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.